Come on now.
Barney is a dinosaur from our imagination, and when he's tall, he's what we call a dinosaur sensation. Barney's friends are big and small, they come from lots of places. After school they meet to play and sing with happy faces. Barney shows us lots of things like how to play pretend, ABCs and 1, 2, 3s, and how to be a friend. Barney comes to play with us whenever we may need him. Barney can be your friend too if you just make believe him.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I better get going. Bye, Barney.
Bye-bye. Take care.
The snacks are really good and good for us. Hey, everybody. It's time for Barney Says.
Hello again to all my friends. I'm glad you came to play. Our fun and learning never end. Here's what we did today. It was nice of Chip to bring some healthy snacks for everyone to share. We pretended that we were at a fancy restaurant. Everyone got to choose something healthy to eat. Baby Bop decided to try something new, brown bread. She loved it. Do you know another healthy snack that you can hear, smell, see, and taste? That's right, popcorn. Boy. Sharing healthy snacks is always fun to do. And remember, I love you.
To learn more about Barney and Friends, visit PBS online at pbskids.org.
Your safety is our priority. That's why we go the extra mile to seal our vehicles after a
Get cleaned up.
Let's brush, everybody.
And gather all the family.
I think it's tremendous.
It's a special Barney double feature with 2 times the fun on 2 terrific videos.
This is going to be lots of fun.
First, from tissues to toothbrushes, it's Barney and his friends at their squeaky cleanest.
You really should cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze, sugar.
Come along as Barney and the kids learn all about staying healthy in Good Clean Fun.
Well, brushing your teeth after eating helps keep your teeth clean and safe from germs.
But the smiles don't end there, because when it comes to getting along with your brother or sister, DJ and Baby Bop have got it all figured out.
Floopity boot.
Being different is what makes each of you special.
That's right. Learn all about working and playing together in Oh Brother, She's My Sister.
It's nice when families play and have fun together.
Get ready for 2 great videos full of good, clean family fun with everyone's favorite purple dinosaur. Don't miss Barney's Good Clean Fun and Oh Brother, She's My Sister. Now available together on home video for one low price from Lyric Studios.
Now on home video.
Better get started having fun right now.
It's magical. It's musical. It's Barney.
Barney!
And this time, Barney is bigger and better than ever in his first full-length movie adventure.
Lots of fun.
Join Barney, BJ, and Baby Bop in Barney's Great Adventure, the movie. Now available on home video.
Does your child love to watch Barney? Now your child can star with Barney in the first ever personalized Barney home video, My Party with Barney. The Barney video that makes your child a star. Your child actually appears on screen with Barney again and again, and Barney actually says your child's name.
Lauren!
Even the deluxe package is fully personalized. Ordering is easy. Just send us a picture of your child and we do the rest. To order, just call one of the toll-free numbers on your screen or go online to www.kideo.com. Imagine the excitement when your child stars on screen in My Party with Barney.